I'm ready to apply some shellac to this first to seal the wood somewhat, and then after the wood is sealed, then I can apply some lamp black and get it into the carving, and then there'll be some cleanup later, quite a bit of cleanup later involved. Actually, I didn't know that how that would, it brings out the lettering just with the shellac more than I expected. So this, as I mentioned, this is sealing the wood grain a little bit so that when I put the lamp black on, it's going to be an easier task for me to get I want the lamp black mostly in the carving, not on the face of the wood. So the shellac is making it easier for me to remove the lamp black from the face of the wood while leaving that lamp black in the carving itself. So I'm just going to leave that just for a few minutes to dry and then apply the lamp black. This will be a little bit of a messy process, but we'll see how this works with the shellac sealing the wood. I'm hoping to keep some of the lamp black off the surface of the wood, and I want the lamp black embedded into the carving, and it's still going to be on the wood surface, so I'll have to sand some of that material off, and it's just put way more than I needed to. Okay, I just need to wipe as much of this off as I can. And the next stage will be sanding this to remove the surface. This is 320 sandpaper, pretty fine sandpaper. All right, here's some shellac to put on, and that'll seal the lamp black and the lettering. This just happens to be Shellac, which is a little bit darker color of shellac that I mix from flakes. I use shellac quite a bit in doing 18th century furniture. All right, so that's, I may tomorrow add another coating on here, but I want that lamp black to settle down and dry in there. And then I can sand a little bit again and apply another coat of shellac, saw this and chamfer the edges, and it'll be a nice sign for the shop.